Hello, it's Alan again on a continuation of discussing the ECL Enterprise Control Language NORMALIZE built-in. Just a couple of things I didn't mention in the previous video I think I better cover. Let's just show you the ECL. This is where you're extracting, NORMALIZE extracts a child data set from an overall hierarchical data set. So I'll show you the ECL here. I didn't. One thing I hadn't mentioned is that if you've got child data sets inside child data sets that are then inside data sets, hierarchical data sets, then really it's use two normalizes for that scenario. Basically, use one normalize for one level. So if you've got to extract a grandchild data set, you'll need two normalizes. I have seen code before where someone's directly tried to extract a grandchild data set from a data set and they got into an awful muddle, and really all they needed to do was just use two normalize functions. So it's one level, one normalize. The other thing I didn't really mention is behavior of skip in this transform when you've got normalized, because of course you've got both the left and right that you can reference in a skip function. So you can skip if the parent record has certain conditions, and you can skip if the child record has certain conditions, or can or use a combination thereof. So you could say, for example, parent left.id id equals 2, or so in other words that would skip record 2 unconditionally, or wherever a child data set has a first name greater than 3. So just in this example, I've already run one of these workloads here where I would expect only output for 1 from record 1 and record 3. So if I look at that result there, yes, you see there's the only two instances where the first name was 3 or under. So it's actually only generated, it's filtered out anything else there. I thought I'd better mention that. As I said, play around, get these small programs together yourself, and you can play around with them. Then they're very quick, they run very quickly, and you can get your ideas straight on what's going on there. Again, as per normal, skip gets incremented, or the counter, sorry, gets incremented even on the skip. Right. So I thought I'd just make that clear, and I'll post that up. Cheers.